I feel like I look like I'm wearing a wig. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Artsy Studio. I've just uploaded the previous video that hopefully you guys watched. And along with that, I also put all the beanies up for sale. So we'll see how that goes. I hope it goes well. One has sold already, and it was one of the crooked slanty ones. So if that was you, thank you so much. I literally was like, you know those videos that are like, oh, a small business, when you make an order with them, they do like a happy dance. You might think that that's like a cute little like, oh, you know, small businesses say that or whatever, but it's very true. I was literally just like looking at my phone like, yes, yes. I know I said that we were going to start carving the butterfly, and we will. Don't worry. We will. But I did start carving, because I didn't want to carve the butterfly without you. So I did start carving the spider web. That's what I was trying to think of. I started carving the spider web, and I'm kind of invested in it, so I kind of want to finish it. I decided to do kind of a 3D effect with it. So I want to obviously carve it like normal, but all the black areas, so all the areas like this, I want to like carve lower to really make the white of the like spider web pop out. I don't know if you can tell, but I started doing it with this part here. So all of this is like really raised, and then all of this is kind of lower. I'm invested. I want to continue working on this. I think one of my heated socks just died, which means one foot's going to be warm and one foot's going to be cold. Connected to Heather's iPhone. She sounds so bummed about it. Yay, another one sold. Wow, you guys are great and awesome. You make my dreams come true. Hey y'all, it's the next day. Guess what? All the hats sold, besides one. There's one at this current moment. There's one left. I went ahead today and did the tedious task of stamping a bunch of pieces of paper and cards, because I, for some reason, didn't stamp all the cards I had. Anyway, so I had to do my stamp on all of my cards, because all the hats are gonna get like a handwritten note. And then because I'm like super extra, I like to, oh my goodness, wrap all of the hats in really cute paper that I stamp myself. And this time I put some moons on there, which I feel like is super adorable. So tomorrow, that way I can write the cards and pack everything up, and then hopefully Friday we can send them out. So I'm hoping to get them out like this Friday. I don't know, y'all. It's a special thing that you guys do for me, which is support. All right. So, oh my gosh, I wanted to complain to you about something, actually. So, hold on. This is good? Let me go grab it. Okay. I have, like, several vacuums. Well, several? No, two. I have two vacuums that I use to, like, vacuum rugs and the studio. I have a shop vac, which is this, the little baby one. So for that one, it doesn't like, it's just kind of, you know, to vacuum up stuff. It's not meant to like vacuum rugs and like get all the fine fibers out of a rug the way that a vacuum like this look out. A vacuum like this, okay? You get what you understand. I use that vacuum to vacuum the rugs. This is like a house vacuum, right? We all understand this. This isn't a shop vac. I'm sure maybe some of you don't know, but shop vacs, a lot of times, I don't know if there's some that can't, but most of the time I think shop vacs can vacuum up liquids, right? Or like wet substances along with dry. You just have to take the filter out. Anyway, these kind, let's all say it together, don't. This is just a regular house vacuum that you vacuum your house with. The floors, like dust, right? We all understand that. Maybe not all of us, because I'm pretty sure, I'm 100% sure actually, that we had a plumber in here recently, and he had to, that's why so much of the ceiling is uncovered again, which is super cool, but he had to do something in the ceiling. I'm pretty sure that they used this vacuum to try and vacuum up like sludge that came out of the pipe, like kitchen sink sludge. You want to know how I know? I don't know if you'll be able to see it in there. Can you see it? Can you see the sludge that's in there? Or how about in there, in like the clearish top part? And you know what's funny is, nothing's funny about this. It's actually quite annoying. There's no sludge like in the vacuum part, like in this part. It's only in that bottom thing. Why is that? Because this is not a wet vac, okay? I know I don't need to tell you guys that, but like, I need to tell somebody. The plumber tried to use a regular house vacuum, rug vacuum, to vacuum up sludge. Can you believe that? And they ruined it. Like, it's all spun up in there. Like, I'd have to take it apart and like wash it with a hose or something. I literally have to like hose it off. There's gunked up sludge in the bottom of that vacuum. I love that it didn't work for them. Maybe they like learned a lesson. Like, oh, this vacuum doesn't vacuum up wet stuff. I have a shop vac. The best part, besides it not actually working for them and them ruining my vacuum, is that my shop vac was right next to this vacuum. So, you know, if they just thought about it, maybe they would have seen and realized that, or maybe they don't know the difference between vacuums. Anyway, so, oh my gosh, I forgot to show you. I'll show you in a second after I'm done ranting. I figured this out earlier today when I went to vacuum my grass right here on the floor, because I finished the spider web rug, okay? It looks incredible. It looks fantastic. And I was going to put that rug on the floor and vacuum it because, again, this is the vacuum I use to do that, because it can really get all the fine fibers out of the rug. And I was like, oh crap. Thank goodness. I was like, oh crap. I should vacuum the floor first and then put my rug down. Thank goodness I did that, because I didn't know that this had sludge in it. And when I started vacuuming the grass, do you know what started spreading all over my floor? It was sludge. Well, wetness, not like, it wasn't like streaks of poop looking situations or anything, but yeah, it was spreading wet around and like, you know, like a light brown. And that rug has a white on it, and so if I had vacuumed that spiderweb rug with this, just like first, without checking if the plumber used it to vacuum up sludge, then I would have ruined it completely. So sometimes messes on your floor can save the day. That's the moral of the story. And also, second moral of the story is, if you have a plumber coming over to your house and you know which room they're going to be working in, maybe take all of your stuff out. Maybe like hide all of your things, including your vacuums, apparently. I was so mad this morning, but also so grateful that I vacuumed the floor first and realized the problem before it became A real problem. Anyway, oh, let's look at the spider web. Da, 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 da. Look at it. It's so crisp. I can't even begin to tell you. It is so crisp. And did I tell you this yesterday? I don't remember. Oh man, I don't know if you can. Oh, you can kind of tell. So I can't remember if I told you, but all the black areas I carved like a lot lower than the white, so that the white would like really pop out, and it could kind of be like a more 3D piece than I've done before. Usually I just like carve the lines, and that looks really nice. But this, I wanted the spider web to like really pop out. Yeah, I carved the black areas lower than all of the white areas so that the web would pop out, and it looks amazing. I really wish that I could like show it to you in real life. And I also wish you could like feel it, because it's the texture is fantastic. Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but when I can't vacuum it properly, it looks like this. Like it's a lot darker, and you can see that there are like black fibers in the white. And that's why I need to use, a like regular, rug vacuum. That's the spiderweb rug done. Incredible, beautiful, fantastic. I'm so excited. I am pretty sure that I'm going to pair it with the spider pillow, because I just feel like this is her home and I can't split them up. You know what I mean? Now I think we're going to do a little bit of carving. I have a little bit of time left. I'm going to do a little carving on the butterfly. We're going to start the butterfly. I'm so excited. I think this is going to be like one of my prized pieces. I'm going to put you back on the ceiling. I had a hard time getting you down to the ceiling yesterday, so if you could not do that again, that'd be great. I forgot to end the video yesterday. So here we are. In the next video, we are definitely going to continue carving the butterfly rug, and I'm hoping to finish it. I'm probably going to start the next video like right after I edit and upload this one. So anyway, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I will have more hats very soon. I just need to order them, but I could start doing the embroidered like patches to like be ready for when the hats actually get here. Somebody said in the comments of the last video, that they embroider right onto like beanies instead of doing like a patch the way that I do. Listen, how do you do that? Because it's the fabric, sorry, this is like inverted, so I'm all kinds of confused, but like it's so stretchy, and I just feel like my sewing machine, like I need to stretch it out on the frame thing, and then when it zips around, I swear we tried that once and it just gets caught because the fabric is like stretchy. I'll try it. Maybe I'll try it. I don't know. I don't want to waste a hat. But if I could do that, it would save me so much time not having to sew the patches on, and a lot of irritation when I inevitably sew some on like all crooked and stuff. I just don't know how to do it with like it being so stretchy. Maybe we'll like test that out. I'll do it with you guys so you can see, so we can all see if I'm right or wrong. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. cake rug and the yellow and pink like sunset-y wall hanging piece are both on sale on my website currently right now. So if you're interested, you could go on over there. Anyway, the link for my website is down in the description. You can follow me in all of these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. I love you guys. I love you guys to absolute. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.